Finnish sauna is about so much more than just getting hot. In Finland, sauna bathing is a revered experience, something that straddles the realms of well-being and something more esoteric.
Finnish sauna is a sensory journey. The feeling, the ambience, the aromas. You touch and you smell, you hear and you feel. You enter wanting and you leave fulfilled.
This is an experience meant to be enjoyed over the course of several hours, not simply tolerated. It's a period of total relaxation where you can be present in the moment and unwind. My first proper sauna seems so long ago now. A traditional sauna on a beautiful Finnish lake. You enter this dark, humid space with the beautiful smell of the wood and the gentle sound of water being poured slowly onto the sauna stones. It's important to note how different the atmosphere is. It's not too hot or too stuffy or too dry. It's this all-encompassing warmth where every muscle and joint relaxes completely. You stay in this revitalizing heat for as long as you can before jumping off a jetty and plunging into a refreshing lake.
You're greeted by such an overwhelming endorphin rush. I've heard it said that it's literally impossible to be stressed after a sauna. Even after the hardest days, we have found this to be true. You get out and dry yourself off and just enjoy the overwhelming sense of positivity. People who've never tried the real sauna experience don't really believe us until they're there, lying in total bliss and grinning from ear to ear. It's an amazing high with benefits for both your health and well-being.
In all honesty, before visiting Finland, we didn't think much of sauna. It turns out we'd just been doing it wrong. For us, that first trip to Finland was our road to Damascus moment. That first cold plunge was our baptism into the world of sauna bathing. Many people don't even realize it's a principally Finnish experience. Sauna is the only Finnish word to make it into the English language. From this point on, it became our mission to understand what had been lost in translation, to learn how to do sauna properly. We were two brothers keen to embrace this amazing experience, listening and learning, championing a cultural shift towards a healthier, more enjoyable sauna experience.
Jake really cares about people and relationships. He's traveled the world. He loves getting to grips with new experiences and really understanding different cultures and their traditions.
With Max's background in design and with the gift of his technical mind, we were able to fuse beautifully and skillfully crafted designs with the key principles of sauna that we had learned from the Finns. From those humble beginnings to now, we've helped many hundreds of people realize their sauna dream. From bespoke indoor sauna installations to large outdoor garden saunas, traditional Finnish log saunas, or simply modular garden cabins.
We've inspired a team of like-minded, enthusiastic people that take the utmost pride in the work that they do, who have joined us on this incredible journey. From our workshop and warehouse team, designers, customer services and installation team, everyone shares the same vision. The Finnmark offices are awash with all the literature there is on sauna, its history and its mechanics.
It's really remarkable to think back on how a ladle of water on some hot stones changed ours and so many others' lives so dramatically, but we're so glad it did. We are Finnmark. We live and breathe sauna.